Hello friends, myself Anand Songade from Automobile Department, LJ Polytechnic, Ahmedabad. Today we are going to see how to clean air filter and replace air filter from our vehicle. First, let us discuss how many types of air filters are there and at how many kilometers we have to replace or we have to just clean that filters. Let us see. There are the types of air filters: dry filter and wet filter. Usually these dry filters are being used in our light motor vehicle, that is our in the cars, LMVs, and in this both petrol and diesel engines are being used in these dry filters. The kilometer range of these filters are usually 30 to 40,000 kilometers, and every 10,000 kilometers we clean these air filters when our car goes to service to dealership or garage. This type of filters are being replaced at every 40,000 kilometers. Now let us see that what the wet filter does. These filters are being used in heavy commercial vehicles, right? And these commercial vehicles are the filters are very gigantic and big, like you can say as trailers, trucks, buses, etc. In this vehicle, the filters are in oil dip. That is, so it is known as wet type of filter. The filter is wet, and these filters are not cleaned at every time of interval. They are being replaced at every 40,000 kilometers or as per the need of the customer or truck driver, right? In these two types of filters, usually this type of filters can be done by a person at his home if you want to clean the air filter, right? Let us give some description about these filters. These are the type of dry filters which we use in our cars. This filter is in bad condition. You can see here the portion is looking very bad, that is in the black color, so that shows the filter is not able to reuse in our cars. So we have to replace this filter. This is the top portion of the filter and this is the back portion of the filter. This portion, the air is been filtered from here and it goes to the engine. So this filter is clean. This type of filter, this place is clean, and this one is in the this is very bad. So that shows that this is in the contact of atmosphere. So the air which comes from the atmosphere is being filtered from here and goes to the engine. Another filter is this type of filter. This is another type of filter in which the filters are being reused for 1 lakh kilometers, average kilometers. Every 10,000 kilometers we don't have to clean with the pneumatic air or anything. The process is that we have to just clean with the water, running water. We have to just put it in the running water, then a solution comes. That solution is been sprayed on this. What it does, it takes out all the mud and particles from this filter. We have to keep this thing for the half an hour, and then again we have to just soak in the water, so the all mud and the particles are being cleaned out. Then keep this filtered underneath the fan or sunlight, so it gets dried. After get dried, there is a oil which comes for this, so you can just spray the oil so that the filter is again reused for our cars. So basically it comes for our cars and light motor vehicles. Now let us see how to replace the filter or clean the filter in our car. Now here we can see that open the bonnet first of a vehicle. Here a fixing element is given for the bonnet, so it will not fall on yours. Then take a light so that we can see the filter very properly, like this. Here you can see this housing is air filter housing, where the filter is been situated, right? There are 4 bolts or 4 clips in every air filter housing, right? So in this you can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Loose these all filters or bolts with the help of ratchet or screwdrivers. Now we have loosened the screws. Like this, the filter housing will come out. The upper portion of filter will just come out from this this thing. You can see this. The filter is been situated here. Now, take this filter out. Here you can see the top portion, right, and the lowermost portion. Here you can see the black portions. These black portions are being seen. This is in the contact with the atmospheric air, so this becomes black. And this portion is it's very clean. So this portion is in as white. So that is in contact with the engine. So the air comes from the downstairs. It goes through this thing and comes out. So this portion always becomes black. Now initially when this filter you just take out, tap this filter in the ground like this. So what it happens? So all the dust is been removed from this filter, right? Then take the pressurized air, pneumatic air, and clean this filter from here. So all the dust which has been situated here will be cleaned very easily when you just filter like this. So the color gets changed from the dark to the lighter mode of, right? After that, do another thing. Take a cloth, open the air housing, then clean the bottom portion, so that it gets dust free. The upper portion also, if any dust is there, then again reinstall this filter to our air housing. The shape is given perfectly as per the housing shape. So see whether the filter is there and keep as per you are taken out, okay, like this, and see all four corners should be equally kept in the housing. Then again tighten the screws or bolts which is been given. Usually tight the bolts in the cross corners, right, like from one here, so that the filter will be locked properly in this. So there will be no leakage or improper fitting of the filter. Again take the ratchet or screwdriver which is convenient, which is needed, and tight these nuts. Anybody can do this thing at his home if it's required to clean his air filter, not to go to garage or dealership for this process. This is how we can easily clean or replace our air filters. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.